Hi there guys, day 5, stripping down Huey. Today I've got a helper. I'll be cutting the front end off and getting the engine and front subframe out. So let's crack on. Right, spent ages trying to get these hubs off, and I've nearly broken my tool. I've bent, that is. So yeah, the ball joints just do not want to split, and my blowtorch is at home, so I'm going to have to leave those for another day and just take the subframe out with those still in. So we've got both the ball joints popped on that side, but not on the passenger side. One of them won't come unstuck. Also, one of the bearings, actually at both sides, the bearing is getting is rusted itself to the CV joint. I can't really believe how that's happened in just sitting for a few months, because it's not even that long since I put new bearings on it really. So yeah, I think we'll just take out these front teardrop mounts, and I think we're actually going to lift the shell over the subframe after all. So yeah, we'll get cracking with that. Right, it's out. It's out! after a bit of a struggle, we managed. It wasn't too bad at all, really. It's a bit of an angle, doing a bit of a nosedive. We had to take it out with the shifter attached to it because, I don't know if you can see the bolt in there, there's a rubber bushing on it, and it was not playing ball, so it was just the easiest way. So yeah, probably try and get that off now, get the engine out of the subframe, and yeah, just take some other bits and bobs off. Hopefully, maybe even by the end of the week, we might have on the jig at this rate. So, let's get that engine out. Right, leaving it here, had a bit of a tidy up, and basically still can't get that ball joint split, and also the bearings are still stuck on the CV joints. So tomorrow I will be bringing the blowtorch to get a bit of heat into them, and hopefully we can get them off, get the drive shafts out, get the engine off the subframe. We've also dropped the steering column, it's just literally stuck on the rack. Again, may need a bit of encouragement with heat to get that off. We'll have to see what we can do. But yeah, looking a bit sorry. Got a bit of tidying up to do tomorrow, but yeah, I want to go home. Tired now. So yeah, thanks for watching this one, and check out my Facebook page as well. I've not actually mentioned that yet. I've got a Facebook page for discussions and such, so the link is in the description for that. I'll yeah, catch you all next time. Bye.